Hi everyone and welcome to this session. Today I want to show you the most important things you need to know about Lombok. So let's get started. First of all, what is Lombok? Project Lombok is a Java library tool that is used to minimize the boilerplate code in Java. By just adding some annotations, implementation of methods like getter and setter are provided at runtime. First of all, for our demo, I prepared this class, this Pojo, first name, last my test, first name, last name, a constructor, default constructor, and a constructor with two arguments, setter and getter, and this main method, just creating the object with two arguments and with the second constructor. So we know that IDEs support us to generate those setter and getter and also this constructor, but these remain boilerplate code that we can avoid. So Lombok will help you to get rid of all this boilerplate code. So at first, how to use Lombok. If you are using Maven, you need only to add the dependency with the most recent version. I'm using this version. You can find the most recent one in internet, and Maven will load for you this jar file. So let's get back to our class. Running this class, give this output. So the first two simple annotation. So using annotation, Lombok will generate the getter and the setter for you at the runtime. So let's try it. Getter and setter annotation from Lombok, and we can remove this one as well. And you see the IDE is not complaining about this because I have also added Lombok jar file to the IDE. In a previous video you can see how to do that. So therefore the IDE is not complaining about this. And let's run now. So it is still working. It is also possible, even if you are using getter and setter, to provide your own implementation. For example, I will provide my implementation string get first name, return, for example, test, and you see the result. So test. So Lombok will only provide the implementation, is no other implementation available. So let's remove it. The next annotation is how to generate this one, because this one is just boilerplate code. If you remove it, the IDE is complaining, and there is one annotation, no, and you see the error disappeared if we run. So it is working. Lombok, there is another annotation. Lombok will also generate this one for you. If we remove it, and you see it complains again. With this annotation, you can also, the error disappeared, and you can see it is working. There is another annotation that contains getter and setter. You can use this one, data, and you have to load, import this one, and you see it is working as well. And if you check the content of data annotation, so it is working. Not only that, if you spot this, it provides meaningful implementation of toString, because I'm using printout t, and you see now it looks better. So, and you see the documentation of data, So it provides getter, setter, required args, constructor, toString, equal hash code and value. So Lombok is very helpful and help you to minimize the boilerplate code. So what we have seen is how to add Lombok jar to your project and the most used annotation in Lombok, and data annotation, all args constructor annotation, not null annotation is used to provide a check at runtime. So it helps, for example, to give a meaningful error when an argument annotated with this annotation is a null. In my opinion, this is the most important things, even in complex projects. There are a lot of other annotation that you can use, but I guess those 3, 4, 5 annotation are all what you need to know to implement complex projects. So this is all for today. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and bye.